So this video will go over how to make a password generator in JavaScript. So what I have here is just a basic HTML file. This. And I'll just add a little header. And now let's make three things. The password length input. Type equals number and equals 0, so you can go 0. The actual password itself. There are actually four things. This will be the pass generator button. And pass button. Change the name. This will be the copy button. Okay, so now let's put this in our JavaScript file. Just using constant because we're not gonna actually. We don't need to change anything, so why should we even have that possibility? So now we have all our things. Let's first add characters, which will make up our password. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, H, I, J, K, K, L, P, P, Q, Q, R, R, S, T, T, U, U, V, V, 6, Z, 6, 7, 9. I'm sure there's some way to do this with regex, but gotta make it double whenever you use the 2 backslashes, or else it's actually gonna do like a special command. So if you want only a single backslash, you have to do double just to tell JavaScript that, by the way. Yeah, I'll put this in the description. Yeah, I'll put this in the description. So now we need a function. And let's do for 0 I that's fine. Plus new pass equals nothing, and characters. Characters. And this will get us a random character from one of these characters. Because this math on random function generates a random number from 0 up until 1, but not including 1. But it does include 0. And it also includes decimals and stuff, so... Then the characters.length gives the length of the character, so they cancel out. So this would generate random indexes from 0 all the way up until the character's or the array's length. And then if you floor that, then it'll perfectly get any index of this array. That's new character. We'll just add that to new pass and return pass. And let's just add an event listener. Listener function. Let's do stock length value for text. Oh, I think value would work. Pretty sure that causes an error. No, I'm just bugging. And then convert this to a number so it actually works properly. And we can just generate a new password. That's for your text. And then set the pass for your text. And we get, and let's set a default value equals 8. That's probably good. No, it's passing in something. There it is. So then if this value is undefined, it'll set length to undefined, which will then set length here to be 8. And then if we want it to be 10, if we want it to be 2, 5, if we want it to be 0, it'll just default to 8. And you could add some disclaimer, but I don't care. And finally, we need to add the get copy button, not the get password button. So copy, and there's this command, window.navigator, right clipboard, right here, let me find it. So it's navigator dot window and write text. Clipboard.write text. Then you can just put in the text there. And then for final value, you just get text, password.innerText, and then just copy text into the clipboard. And just the error handle, if there's no text, then just return it. So boom, copy text. Works. And let's try it. Could do something like this. You know, there's a more clean way to do this, but this is just a simple way. Generate copy, we copy it or paste it, we get the text. If we copy this, we get nothing. So yeah, that's how to make a simple password generator in JavaScript. You know, only 29 lines of code, and you could probably optimize this, but yeah. Sub if you want, like if you want.